In a land of vibrant hues, where colors danced in harmony, there lived a pair of lovebirds named Lila and Leo. They were the epitome of love, their bond as captivating as the sunset and as enduring as the mountains. One day, a storm brewed, shaking the very foundation of their serene abode. The sky wept, the wind howled, and the once vibrant hues faded into a somber palette. Lila and Leo huddled together, their feathers ruffled from the relentless gusts. The storm raged on, testing the strength of their love. Lila, fearful, looked at Leo with eyes wide and trembling. Leo, steadfast, held her close, his gaze unwavering, a beacon of reassurance in the storm. In the heart of the storm, Leo made a decision. He knew that their love was not meant to be shaken by the tempest. He decided to fly out, braving the storm, to bring back a piece of the sun to their home. Leo flew high, battling the winds, his heart pounding with courage. He soared high enough to touch the sun, feeling its warmth filling him with newfound strength. He plucked a golden feather and returned, Lila's fear turning to awe. Upon his return, Lila was surprised to see a golden feather in Leo's tail. She marveled at the sight, the symbol of Leo's bravery and love. The storm faded, the colors returned, and their love blossomed even stronger. From that day forward, the lovebirds were not just a symbol of love, but a testament to it. Their story served as a reminder that love, like the sun, can shine even in the darkest storms, and that bravery and selflessness are the true marks of love's strength. In the end, Lila and Leo lived out their days in their vibrant land, their love story a tale told by the winds, a beacon of hope in the face of adversity. Their love was not just a bond, but a dance of colors, a dance of courage, a dance of love.